guys, I'm back, your agent. Ayan, namataray. So, those people who are new in my page, ayan, gusto ko lang i-introduce yung sarili ko. Ako yung mataray, yung agent. So, what agency are we? We are Harmony Insan Kaina Clare Danish Manlik. So, in short, it's Harmony Agency. So, of course, ayoko na kayong mahirapan kasi gusto nyo pa naman parate spoon feed kayo. So, paano kami nakakadala dito? Kasi too many people are telling that we are doing a human trafficking or ano ba yun, scammers. We do have an accreditation from our government, of course. Our accredited agency is Manila On Time Express. So, ayan na nga. Ipapakilala ko muna sa inyo ang aming agency bago tayo mag-start. Why I make this video is para to sa mga tao nagtatanong on how to apply. Oh my God, nagkagyara-gyara na. Still, you're asking me on how to apply. So this is the easiest way to communicate with all of you guys. Just try to click and ask what's the next topic for my next vlog. So, ayan. How to apply nga ba? Okay, before we go to on how to apply, I would like to inform you about the qualifications that we have and the documents that you need to prepare. So, for the documents, you must have your passport ready. Okay, at least 3 years valid. So, kung alam niyo ng papaso na, mag-early renewal na kayo. And, you must be an ex-abroad. Okay, at least 2 years experience. Wala akong pakialam kung 5 years kayong tumambay as long as you have an experience working abroad. Hindi na kayo mako-culture shock at hindi na rin kayo maninibago dito. Kung hindi kayo sure sa gagawin ninyo, wag kayong mag-a-apply. Kasi dito, it's so difficult to earn the thousands of dollars that you are thinking. So, aside from it, gusto ko pasensyosa kayo and gusto ko talagang pag naririnig niyo yung ganun ng amo ninyo, pasok, labas. And of course, you need to learn. Hindi yung papasok nyo, lalabas, wala kayong naintindihan. So, ayun na. Yun ang mga kailangan ko. So, you must have your passport ready and NBI, National Bureau of Investigation Certificate. Okay? Kailangan yun ng clearance ninyo. So, ang NBI clearance nyo, kailangan yung asikasuhin na kasi minsan nag-aasikaso kayo yung hired na kayo ang kakapal ng mukha nyo. Charot. So, second, another one is your birth certificate. Mag-request na kayo sa PSA habang maaga kung may plano kayong mag-apply. So, PSA, birth certificate. And if married kayo, kumuha kayo ng marriage certificate. Okay? So, kailangan andun na ha. So, ito yung pinaka-apat na kailangan natin. Your passport, your medical, your NPI, your birth certificate, and marriage certificate if you are married. So, okay. So, ano nga ba ang qualification? Yun nga, pasensyosa ka dapat, may experience ka dapat, and marunong ka ng basic English. Hindi ko kailangan ng edukada. I don't need someone who has a degree who is a degree holder. Ang kailangan ko is pasensyosa. Knows how to respect people, especially your employer. Hindi yung pinagalitan ka ng amo. Ma'am, I finished my ganito. I'm a teacher in the Philippines and you cannot do that to me. I will go back to the Philippines. Wag ganon. If your employer tried to blah, 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 ignore it. At the end of the day, she speaks something, but you are earning something. And that money, you are going to use it for your future, for your kids' future. Okay? Or for your next plan after ng 2 years. So, ayun na nga. Ayun yung mga requirements. So, kung may nalimutan ako, you feel free to tell me. So, paano ang pag-a-apply? You have 2 ways to apply. We have the accredited agency, which is Manila On Time Express. You can go there directly and walk in, pero nasa Manila siya. So, to those who are in provinces, we are allowing you to apply through our WhatsApp number. We do have a WhatsApp number in my page, which is Agent in Europe and Turkey. So, hanapin nyo na lang yun kung gusto nyo. So, doon, nakalagay doon ang WhatsApp number namin. So, doon kayo pwedeng mag-apply. Because I don't want to have multiple numbers kung saan kayo nag-a-apply. Hindi na natin matitrace kung totoo or legit ba ang ina-applyan ninyo. So, for the agency, Harmony, yun lang yung kailangan natin. Or kailangan nating applyan na number. So, kung nag-a-apply kayo sa WhatsApp, ano ang kailangan yung gawin? You have to send your introduction video, okay? Your IV, yung introduction video ninyo, and there's an automatic messages pag nag-send kayo ng message sa WhatsApp number namin. Fill upan nyo yun. So, make sure na complete yung documents. And if you don't have an experience abroad, try not to apply muna. And what else? Puro na lang add, no? Tapos, ano pa ba? Make sure na ang WhatsApp number ninyo is tama. Yon. So, meron sa ating ex-abroad na yung WhatsApp number nila is +966. So, kung ang contact numbers na nilagay nyo doon, make sure nyo na may country code din na +966. And try to put your Philippine number na +63. Okay? And yung contact details ng contact person ninyo dapat accurate din para kung in case na may mapili kayo or ma-select kayo for interview, mabilis kayong kontakin. And what else? So, for the introduction video, i-clear ko lang kasi most of you are sending introduction video na walang pakialam sa mundo. Especially to those who are not tech savvy, yung mga hindi talaga mahilig sa cellphone, which is naiintindihan ko yon. And pero of course, na kailangan nyo ring intindihin na agent kami and we are accommodating hundreds of applicants every day. And you need to be patient more than us. Kasi ikaw, mag-isa ka lang ang nag-a-apply, kami nag-i-entertain ng maraming aplikante. So, we are making it easier for you to apply. So, make it easier for us also to figure it out kung sino yung nag-apply sa amin. So, try to put your complete name, your age, your location, and kung saan ka ngayon. If you are currently working abroad, try to put there, I will be back in the Philippines in ganitong date. So that we have mayroon kaming panghahawakan. And of course, to those who are still in abroad and then they're applying na for line-up, make sure you have your ticket back to the Philippines. Kasi if you don't have, we will not accept your application. Oo, marami po nag-a-apply na nasa abroad pa rin sila and pauwi sila ng April, May. Hindi po namin yon ino-honor. So, if nakapag-fill in na kayo ng inyong automatic message doon, nakapag-fill up na kayo, and then nagsend na rin kayo ng introduction video, you will receive a message na line up na kayo. If you don't still receive a message, try to change your video. Kasi ang iba, nagsisend ng video, ang background ang dumi. Ang background, puro sira-sirang kahoy. Guys, we know naman that we are not rich. But we are making it sure that the employer will have an impression na, oy, malinis ang bahay niya kahit maliit lang. Oy, malinis siya sa bahay kahit nakubo lang. 'Di ba? Paano ka magugustuhan ng amo if yung nasa likuran mo puro tagpi-tagpi? Paano ka magugustuhan ng amo if yung kalat ng mga laruan dyan ng anak mo or yung mga panty na kasabit pa sa likuran mo? Of course, you will not get that good impressions from the employer who's looking for their future nanny. So, ayun. What else that I need to tell you? Sa video nyo, make sure na energetic kayo. Energetic, nakasmile kahit mara kayong baliw na. And ang video, nakaganito ha, ang pag-video. Ganyan. Ilagay niyo yung cellphone ninyo. Make sure nakatapat yan sa mukha nyo. And, kuya, sa ulo ninyo. Ayoko naggaganon kayo. Gusto ko nakaganon lang kayo. And how you introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Jean. I'm from the Philippines. I'm 27 years old. I have 3 kids. Education. I'm a high school graduate. Experience. I work as a nanny in Saudi Arabia for 3 years straight. I took care of 3 kids. 1 is 2, 1 is bahala na kayo. If you have a reference, add it. My employer from Saudi is giving me the reference if you need. Yun. So, Ayun. Hindi ko kailangan ng magaling mag-English, hindi ko rin kailangan ng sobrang talino, and hindi ko rin kailangan ng edukada. I want you to focus on your application as a babysitter and nanny kasi most of the employers naman, they don't know how to speak English. If they are really good in English, then that's the time I will be choosing someone who is very good. Oh my God, hindi naman pwedeng ibigay kita doon sa ang alaga mo, English spoken ng Harvard, tapos ikaw, di ba? So, ayun, may mga aplikante tayong elementary graduate lang. Yes po. And it is okay. We don't need to force them to be educated para lang maging nanny. Again, nanny lang tayo. At the end of the day, our service is matter, hindi yung pag-i-English. Okay? So, kailangan ko ng pasensyosa kasi baka ma-culture shock kayo dito. So, once na na-receive nyo na yung lineup or wala kayong may na-receive na text at all, or meron kayong, or na-seen yung message nyo, tapos walang reply, check kung nag-send ba kayo ng video nyo or naka-fill up ba kayo ng automatic message. Kasi yung iba, nag-send din doon ng resume tapos wala na. And then magme-message na lang yung, kamusta na po ang application ko, diba? So pathetic. Ayun. And, so during the interview, kailangan may Zoom na kayo. Hindi pa yung sasabihin ko sa'yo, oy, mag-download ka ng Zoom during the interview, ha? And wag kayong masyadong self-pity. Yun parati ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Konting salita lang, dinidibdib nyo. Dito, pangmatigasan. Hindi ka pwedeng parati kang iiyak. No, bawal yan dito. Which is okay lang naman umiyak kayo inside the room, but don't show it to your alaga because they are psychologically hindi ko ma-explain. Basta they don't like to see their nannies crying in front of the kids. So make sure na kaya nyo i-handle yung sarili ninyo. And if you are not ready, do not apply. Oh my God. Tumatalsik yung laway ko. And ano pa ba yung pwede kong sabihin sa inyo? So, before the interview, we are sending messages. You will have an interview at this time. So make sure you are ready. Hindi yung gusto nyo hagilapin ko pa kayo. Ambisyosa na kayo. So, ayun na nga. Ayan, ako pala yung agent yung Matara. If you do have any questions regarding to application, please feel free to comment, and then sa next video ko yun na lang yung ipopost ko. Kasi ang kukulit ninyo, sa totoo lang. So, nagkagyera-gyera na sa Middle East, and now, ganun pa rin yung tanong nyo. How to apply, ma'am? Okay? So again, we have two ways to apply. You can go walk into our accredited agency in Manila, which is Manila On Time Express, or you can contact us via WhatsApp. Thank you so much, guys. See you again soon. Bye-bye.